Alright you guys, welcome to the channel. This week we didn't do a video on the Coot. However, I was able to pick up this 149 Cub Cadet hydrostatic drive lawn tractor, garden tractor. This is a 1973 by the serial number that's back here on the plate. It looks like it was manufactured between January and February of '93. I bought this sight unseen on the internet because I was gone, and it's pretty sad shape, but I think for the most part it'll be something worth putting back together. So I had my brother and my dad run out and pick this up for me. It was probably 20 minutes from where they live, and they picked it up for me. Thought I was missing the rear tunnel cover right there, so I ordered this new one online right here, and then come to find out that he did have the cover, which is here with some plow blades. So I got that piece. The rear end was unbolted, so I had him send me a picture of that, and this is what it looked like. And upon inspection of that, it looked like it was going to be worth saving, something I could work with there. These old tractors are really heavy and built real well. It's got some metal that needs to be straightened out on it, it looks like. A little bit here and there. I'm not exactly sure what the guy had going on here. The reason why I'm putting this video up and then I'm going to let this tractor sit for a while I finish the Coot is hoping I'd get some comments from you guys. Let me know what some of this stuff is. And this thing right here, I'm not sure what his plan was for that, but I'm going to get that off of there. And up here he had this welded on, which I've got to take and cut all this off. I'm not sure if you guys know what this might have been for. I'm guessing some kind of maybe a plow lift or something. We've got the starter generator in there. This is the 14 horse. And let's lift up the hood and take a look. I got also got some fiberglass work to do. Missing a headlight up here, missing the grill, and everything looks like it's there for the motor. And back here we've got the hydraulic pump on the rear end. I've got one of these that is freed up, the other one's stuck down. I'll have to work on that. So I've got ahead and ordered some parts already for it. But this, like I said, this is going to sit till we get the Coot done. That's project number one. So let me know what you guys think on this front end. I'm not exactly sure what he had going on here. The what do they call that, PTO engagement stuff all looks like it's there. And a lot of these I noticed when I was looking on there is the belt pulleys would cut into the axle, and that looks fine on this one. I don't see any marks in there, at least nothing too bad. So we'll get digging into that. All the tires are bad. I got new rear tires ordered. This side probably have to do something with the exhaust. When I put the new grill in, it's going to hit. There was no oil in it. I don't know. We'll have to look into that. He says it turns over. It looks like it turns over. Yeah, it turns over. Feels like it's got compression. The drive shaft back in there goes up to that. The fan, this little plastic fan's all broke off. I've got another one of those on order, which is right here. Gas tank seems to be all intact. Not exactly sure if this was a on-off valve. A lot of digging into this I've got to do. So underneath the seat we're missing a battery. Everything else kind of looks like it's there. This looks like a seat from a elementary school. I've got the gasket already ordered for this, so we can put that back together. And my serial number, that's where I found out this is probably, goes off of, the 149 is this first set of, oops, I'm not focusing here. The 149 comes off this first set of numbers all the way up to the U. The U stands for built in the USA. This last set of numbers is a series. If you can go on to Cub Cadet and look that up online, you'll find out that this one falls in a series of numbers which specifies it was built 1973 between the month of January and February. Missing some tail lights. Gonna have some body work to do. So not exactly sure what he had going on over here. If you guys know what this might have been, Tanner, want to say hi?
Hi.
Tanner thinks this is going to be his tractor. We're going to try to put a loader on this, which will be kind of fun. So this has got a,
What you do is
must have had electronics in here that ran off this. There was some wires that came out of it. My brother took those off because they were just didn't want them to fall off on the road. Not sure what this was going to be for. No clue. We'll dig into that. Dashboard. It looks like everything's there.
Hi.
Choke works. The hydrostatic forward and reverse works. I've got a looks like I got a crack in there. Yeah, some cracks, and maybe get a new steering wheel for it. Anyway, you guys, that's going to be on the radar for the future for this channel.
Yeah, guys.
We're going to be pulling this apart. Tanner says, "Hope you guys like it." Let me know what you think of this. What some of this stuff is. I'm not 100% sure of. Maybe your thoughts on what I should be doing with it. I think I'm going to strip it all the way down to the frame, build it right back up from scratch. He had these parts that went with it too. I don't think any of this went with it. The hydraulic cylinder is in there that runs the forward and reverse. Maybe it wasn't the forward and reverse. It actually runs the rear lift, and it's up to the front, and the lower and the raise of the mower deck. He gave me this with it. I don't know if the guy had a plan at one point in time for a loader, but this cylinder is just random. Checking the oil, buddy? How's it look?
I filled it.
Filled it up? It feels good?
Nope.
2 more cylinders here. Just some stuff that's probably going to go right in the garbage. Okay, well, we're going to get this video uploaded, and then we're going to put it up on some
There's oil
engine stands.
on that.
Let's see, look at that finger. Some oil on there?
Yeah, there's oil on that stick.
Yeah, must be some oil on that stick. That's probably a good thing. So we'll get this jacked up, get the tires taken off, put it on some jack stands, and let it sit in the corner. Alright, you guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Why I put this out there so early, you know, is I want to get some comments, some feedbacks from you guys on some of this stuff I'm not 100% sure of. Like I said, this piece that the guy had welded on the front here, not sure what his intentions were with that. You guys might know. The weird little lever on the other side, it kind of looks like some kind of a, and almost looks like the brake lever, but on the other side. So we'll get this one uploaded, we'll get on some jack stands. Like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because we're going to be starting some videos on this. This will be our next weekly series after the coot's done. So anyway, thank you.